Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to perform factory reset in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first you have to open your settings. Then friends you have to click on search and here you have to write reset just like this. And by clicking on it, here you will see some of the things will show up on here. So here it is reset options. Now click on reset option. You will see erase all data, or you can say factory data reset. So you can click on this. So first of all you have to read this. By doing it, it will remove or erase your Google account, system, app data settings, downloaded apps, photos, music, video, other data including your Gmail ID data and your SD card data. So first, if you have any important data, so first you have to back it up and then save it, and then you have to erase all data. By doing this erase all data, you will never recover your data again. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.